Hello and welcome to Coin Bureau Clips. If you enjoyed this video and find it useful and it just brings a little ray of sunshine into your life, then please do like, subscribe and tell all your friends. Also, please be aware that not one syllable of what follows is financial advice. And if your portfolio is giving you the heebie-jeebies, then please consult a financial advisor in your area, assuming there are some good ones, of course. Okay, so the merge is almost upon us, and I know a lot of you have been asking how my personal portfolio is positioned going into it. So, as I've mentioned before, there is a chance that the merge does not go to plan, and I have taken steps to hedge against this possibility. That said, if you subscribe to my weekly newsletter, which is where I post regular updates about my portfolio, link below, you'll know that Ethereum alternatives like Solana, Near and Cardano have figured there for a long time. And a little shy of 9% of my portfolio is also given over to layer zeros in the form of Cosmos and Polkadot. In short, although I'm heavy on ETH, I've never been a one-chain maximalist. Now, although I've made sure I'm hedged against the merge not going entirely to plan, I'm nevertheless confident that, well, it will, Vitalik, be upon us. As such, over the last few weeks, I've added some LDO and some ST-ETH to my holdings, and they now account for just shy of 3% of my portfolio. ETH, of course, remains my biggest individual holding at just under 41%. Now, a successful merge should be good news for LDO, ST-ETH and ETH, though I doubt I'll actually sell much unless they really pump. My focus has always been long-term and, to be honest, I've never really been one to trade. But as any responsible crypto holder should, I have always kept some dry powder on hand in case I spot a buying opportunity. Now, I keep mine in USDC, and I recently decided to deploy some of that in order to buy some more SOL. Basically, Solana is a project I believe in despite its recent struggles, and I wanted to hedge a bit more against any possible merge issues. Now, even if the merge goes smoothly, I still think SOL has room to grow, in the long term of course, and so I'm happy to own a bit more of it. USDC still makes up around 3.5% of my portfolio, by the way. And I also decided now was the time to sell out of a few of my smaller alt positions into SOL as well. So, although my holdings of FTM, HNT and Link were all way down in recent months, I decided it was time to take what profits were left and move into a larger cap alt, both as an ETH hedge and because I think there's more growth potential for SOL in a bear market. To be clear though, I still think Phantom, Helium and Chainlink have potential and can rise again, so I'll be keeping a very close eye on all three as the bear market continues. I expect we could well see lower lows across the board for the crypto market in the coming months, and so these three will be at the top of my list to get back into if prices sink further. And I may even take some profit on SOL if it does well in the coming weeks and perhaps look to move back in that way. Now, if you want a full breakdown of my portfolio, then subscribe to my weekly newsletter where you'll also find lots of other juicy stuff like my thoughts on the market and a preview of what videos are being worked on at Coin Bureau HQ. It also comes with a spam-free guarantee, only one email a week, and I won't send you any other types of processed meat either because, hey, I'm nice like that. So have a good merge, guys, and see you on the other side.